Remember that you cannot see other people's last scene until you do not share your last scene. That means when you check out your settings and last scene of your status in privacy, my last scene is available for everyone. If you see carefully in this, my last scene is available for everyone. I make that only for nobody. Okay, before all that, I will show you that my last scene is appearing to everyone. Like this is one of my contacts, and if you click that, you see this person is online and his status and his activity on WhatsApp is showing to me because he's online, or his last scene will be shown to me. But if I close that of mine, like WhatsApp has clearly written that if you if you don't share your last scene, you won't be able to see other people's last scene. That means if you don't share your last scene, if you off that, if you close that, you won't be able to see other people's last scene when they are online, or when they have last seen on WhatsApp, that will not be shown here. So this is the fact. If you close that, if you make that nobody, your last scene will go off, and other people, you cannot see other people's activity duration or time. Like I make that nobody, and I will show you that now. I show you that clearly, and I open WhatsApp again. So no of my contacts activity on WhatsApp will not be shown now. You see, this is not showing now in this part. The time of WhatsApp activity is not showing now. So this is the fact. If you off yours, then you can never see other people's activity on WhatsApp. You have to make that open or enable that now to everyone. Then you can see other people's activity on WhatsApp. If you make that only for contacts, then you can see the availability of your friends who are in your contact list. I guess this is now clear to you. I am showing you that settings again in the privacy. They have clearly written that if you don't share your last scene, if you off that, you won't be able to see other people's last scene. Very clear. If you off yourself, then you cannot see other people's activity on WhatsApp at that time. So you have to make that for everyone or my contacts according to your wish. Do you have any question? I think this is clear to you now.